an eye doctor, a science teacher, and a scientist.
I want to be a baseball player and a business manager, a heart surgeon, a football player.
I want to write fairy tales and mysteries. I want to be a journalist. I want to be a rocket scientist.
With a good education, our children can be whatever they want to be. That's why Honda is committed to supporting black colleges.
If I were to get into medicine, I'll be a veterinarian because I like animals and things like that.
Here you go again. Heading for an upset. When eating and drinking on the run gets to your stomach, you want a medicine that works on your stomach itself. Pepto-Bismol tablets. As it coats, Pepto delivers powerful medicine directly to your stomach, right where you hurt. Pepto-Bismol. The one that coats is the only one you need.
Ladies and gentlemen,